Hey knife fans, it's been a while. I hope you guys have been doing well. Today I'm going to overview the next most requested A.G. Russell knife, the A.G. Russell Boxcar Jack. Really cool blade. You have your folding knife and your folding fork, and they all come together into one single piece. Now this knife design, this knife pattern is typically referred to as a hobo knife, which became popular during the Great Depression. Men would travel from place to place looking for work. The term hobo has changed over the years, but back then, it really just meant a traveling worker. You can see how such a knife would be pretty popular. You got your blade and your fork, just ready to go for whenever you're ready to stop for lunch or dinner. And as you're traveling, you need to pack conveniently and just have it on you. Now, WR Case has trademarked the term hobo knife, so we've used the term boxcar jack, as boxcars was the most popular, most prevalent form of transportation that hobos would use. And let me show you how it works. When it's shut, it's locked in place. But to open it, first you open the fork, then the fork side will go down and the knife side will go up, like so. And then it just comes apart like that. And then you're ready to use it. When you're ready to put it all away, make sure that the fork is open, because if it's shut, you can see the bottle opener will get in the way there. That's part of what locks it when everything is shut already. So open up the fork, place it in the large receptacle, and then push it down. And then when you shut the fork, it's locked in place. The Boxcar Jack comes in three handle materials. We have a black G10, very handsome, really nice. It'll be super durable. It'll last a long time. We have a smooth brown bone, nice and pretty, great fit and finish. And then a smooth white bone. You can see it's a pretty, like a smooth cream color on this side, and on this side it's a little speckled, got a little more character to it. But some great fit and finish. Get some close-ups here. There's the springs. All fits together pretty tightly. Nice transitions. Pins are nice and flush. You can see the inside is cleaned out. You can get a little more information on the handle materials from the link in the description. Nice on the inside here. You have your bottle opener and fork. Now, because of the design, there is not a stop pin like we usually do on slip joint knives inside the knife. So you do need to make sure that you're not slamming it shut. You need to let it in gently. Don't just slam it shut, because you're gonna, if it bounces too much, your blade can hit the hump, which will put a light chip in your blade. So just shut it nice and gently there. Just let it drop and it should be fine. Now the blade is made out of an 8CR 13 MOV stainless steel. We get a lot of great reviews from our customers on this steel, especially with our heat treatment. It holds its edge well and it sharpens up well. Very sharp. My arm hair is growing back. Nice and smooth. And nice sharp blade. Good grind lines on there. The blade is a clip point, full flat grind with a satin finish. Lengthwise, we're looking at 3¼ inches. And for the fork, we're at 3 inches. Handle, we're coming in at 3 3/4. And let me grab my caliper here. So blade width, we're looking about 16 millimeters or 0.63 inches. Blade thickness, 0.07 inches or 1.7 millimeters, give or take. Fork is similar. .2 at its thickest. And handle, let's see, at the butt here we're looking at 18.4 or 0.74 inches, almost 3/4 of an inch. And at the widest point with the blade here, 0.96, so almost an inch wide if you include the clip point of the blade right there. And thickness, 0.6364 or 16.2 millimeters. Weight-wise, the bone handles weigh the same at 3.7 ounces, and the G10's slightly heavier at 3.8 ounces. Some people downplay how useful this is because, you know, there's silverware everywhere, but I know several people who like to bring it to restaurants because you never know really how clean that silverware is, how clean the forks are, and then especially the knives, you never know how sharp they're going to be. Sometimes struggling with a dull knife is just the worst thing in the world, so sometimes it's just easier just to bring out your own. And with a slip joint like this, most people don't even notice and they won't say anything either. Thanks for watching, guys. If there's a particular knife you want to see next, let me know in the comments and I will put that on the list. Don't forget that this knife is linked in the description. And if you like this video, help me out and hit like on the video. That always helps. As always, stay bladed, stay sharp. Have a good one.